With 650 million views, this is the trend that left Finland without feta. This famous block of cheese will be your inspiration for this next challenge. Now, before we move on, I'd like to personally apologize to Finland, as I contributed to the shortage by making it every night for a month. It's the only thing I know how to make besides toast. And I burn my toast. So taking inspiration from this trend, you need to start with a full block of cheese. You have 1 hour. So silence your ovens and preheat your phones. I'm ready to eat. Let's go.
Okay, go. I see.
So I think I'm gonna stuff something with a mix of 2 cheeses. I just haven't decided what.
Io, what are you making?
I am going to make a tomato feta spin on a chili rellenos.
Whoa,
Wow.
okay.
That sounds nice.
It's deep fried, it's crunchy, there's some peppers, it has a little bit of heat, and I think it's a perfect way to get that cheesiness, but to also give it some depth.
I'm gonna keep it simple.
Oh, wow, we get a
Thank
little
you, creator.
snack.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Look at
Okay.
that.
Brownie points? No.
Hold up. Is Frankie gonna make fresh pasta?
Yeah, we'll make some cavatelli, semolina and water.
Y'all, Frankie is making pasta.
Oh, I do need to boil water, don't I? I guess that needs to happen.
I mean, only if you intend to cook the pasta.
That's true, that's true.
Oh, we got a pasta maker.
Thought we were doing things by hand over there.
Let's just see how the machine works.
Damn.
That's done.
Is he trying to make a Parmesan crisp?
Parmesan crisp.
All right, 1985, I see you.
Touché. I think I oversalted this. Yes, absolutely horrible.
I've oversalted my pasta water. So I've got to dump half this water out and refill it.
Please boil. Oh man, I was doing this Parmesan thing and I totally forgot.
You saved the Parmesan, Chris.
Looks good.
Good work.
How you feeling over there, Frankie? You okay?
All right, creators, you got 1 minute to make that feta better.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, creators, hands up. Good job.
Io, what did you make for us?
So today I've made for you guys a feta tomato chili rellenos. It has chorizo in it, some cucumber thrown in it to give you that Mediterranean feel, and I hope it's delicious and you enjoy it.
And so use the feta and
A little pepper jack. Give you some of that ooey gooey meltiness.
Execution-wise, fantastic. You didn't have any filling spilling out.
I was worried about this being a little too spicy, but it's not. But I wonder, like, I can't really taste the feta on my end. I taste more chorizo than feta.
I disagree. I can taste the feta. If anything, I wish there was a little bit more tomato flavor on the inside.
Frankie, tell us about what you made.
So what I made for you here is the cavatelli feta pasta. It's got sun gold tomatoes, and we've got fried parsley and Fresnos on top.
Like, I feel like a nonna would like make this for me, like a grandma or something. Like, this is a very heartfelt dish. But then I also feel like you could serve this in a restaurant and charge $28, $30 for it. So,
Really?
very impressive.
Thanks.
Yeah.
We had so much fun watching this viral feta pasta trend come to life, but there's only one who made feta taste better. So, let's announce the winner, shall we? Drum roll.
And the winner is...
Stop! Frankie!
Frankie, your dish was fantastic. You really cooked with intention. I mean, making pasta in about 30 minutes and pulling it off the way you did, extremely impressive. And that's what really pushed you ahead.
I think I'm tearing up. Thank you.
It was a good
It's
dish.
emotional.
Thank you. Thanks, everybody. Thank you.
The man made fresh pasta, you guys. Like, how do you compete with that? Hats off to Frankie. Totally cool with this loss.
Frankie, this is the best hat you own.
Yay!